My campaign against drug will not stop until the last pusher and the last drug lord are...
Ang among ginapatay para sa anang drug pusher, user, hold-upper, snatching. Hindi na natin palakihin, hindi lang kwintahan. Pinaka maliit na patay ko is 50 katao.
All of those that we have exhumed were part of the war on drugs of the Duterte regime, where they were killed point blank, if not deliberately shot helplessly.